Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've recorded a video, but I have a great video today and it's about my Boxyluxe for the month of December. Now this is my second box that I've received. I didn't get a chance to film the first box, but before I get into that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell for future videos. So let's jump into Boxycharm's Boxyluxe for December 2018. So, now if you don't already know, Boxycharm is $21 a month, and then Boxyluxe is quarterly, every 3 months, and it's additional $28 on top of your $21 that you pay. That's only every 3 months. So, I think it's a great deal because the Boxyluxes are well over $300 in the total amount if you was to purchase each of these items individually. So, if you have a chance to jump on Boxycharms, absolutely do it because my makeup collection, although I do purchase a lot of makeup, this just adds to it so much more. So let's get into the box. So here's the card, and it's "'Tis the Season" by Boxyluxe, and it has all the prices. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you the prices as I pull out the items. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this values for $89. So I don't own anything from Elemis, and I'm just very excited to try it because with me reaching 40, I need to take better care of my skin at night and daytime. So this is fantastic to have. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Luxie, which is complete face set, which values for $65. So Luxie brushes are amazing. They are super affordable and they're just great to have. So I'm excited to get these in this month's box as well. Next thing here, and I did open the packaging that this came in, but this is the Glam AF. This is by Crimes of Beauty. I love this brand. They were in IMAX when I went to see them a couple years ago, and they have some really awesome makeup related t-shirts, sweatshirts, really cute. So this here is a wristlet, and it comes with a portable charger, which I find super dope because I'm always running low on my battery. I totally suck. But this values for $22, which is it's a super great deal. And it charges both iPhones and Android type phones. There's an adapter on the top here that you pull out, and it's in here. The cord is in my bag. I already started using this. But yeah, so then once you charge this bad boy up, then you connect this part to your phone and it just gives you a good charge. It does say to at least let it charge for 3 hours before you start to use it, so which is good. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Sponge L, and it's the body wash infused buffer, and this values for $20. So I love stuff like this to have in the house, in the shower, and you know, it just beats having to buy a sponge separate from the soap. This is all in one. So I love stuff like this. So this is fantastic. So $22 for this. Then the next thing I have here is the Pretty Vulgar, which I was super excited to get. It's a Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. And I guess there's different shades. And this one is Matte About It. So, which I didn't use, but I mean, it has a cute little puffer, which I normally don't use these. And then has a deep set sifter in here too. I know that there's been a lot, I'm sure you can catch the idea from it here, but it looks really fine from what I'm looking at inside the packaging, so that's always a plus. Next, I'm sorry, that's $32, so that's really good deal. The next thing, I got an email from Boxycharm, and they gave you the option to either get the straightener, the hair straightener, and or this. So I chose this because I'm going to use this more than a straightener. I try not to use too much heating products on my hair because my hair is so damaged. But anyway, it's better now. It's definitely healthier, but still. So I picked out the Suva Protege palette, and this palette, let me just take this plastic off if I could. Yeah, I have not used this. So the Suva Beauty palette does retail for $34, and here are the shades. So these are definitely my type of shade, my type of palette. These shades I would definitely wear on the regular. Like, this is beautiful. The Suva Beauty Protege palette is $34. It's a great deal so far. Next thing I'm pulling out is the Grande Cosmetics Grand Mascara. This does value for $25. So I've never tried this mascara. I'm excited because I do like their products, so I'm hoping that this will be as good as their lip products. So that's $25. The next thing is the Tarteist Lip Paint, Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is Insta Famous. And this values for $20. So that's definitely my type of shade. Although I don't have, you know, humongoid lips. I just got tiny lips, but I don't care. This is a really cute lip topper, or you can wear it by itself. It's real. I'm all for it. And that values for $20. And lastly, which I was excited that I was getting this month, was the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette in the it's the Holy Grail palette. I know this is probably like one of their first ones. I can't remember, but whatever. So here it is. And come on. Okay. Here she is. Oh, all my shades. I'm so excited. Oh, I just love this palette. Have you ever used this palette, guys? I mean, let me know what you think about it. I have a whole drawer full of palettes that I've never touched. I have the whole Jaclyn Hill collection, all the Dose of Colors palettes. It's just too much. I end up going back to the same ones that I've had for like a year now, and I need to switch up, use them all. So that palette, the Violet, I can't even say that correctly. Okay, so Violet Voss Holy Grail palette does retail for $45. So I'm gonna go ahead and tally up. Where's my phone? Get my phone. Okay, so the total for December's Boxyluxe Boxycharm is $352. Totally worth it. I mean, so if you think about it, how many items did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 items in this month's Boxyluxe box for worth $352, and I paid $50. A little bit over with the tax and everything else. You cannot beat it, because individually, come on, $352 is a lot of money to spend just on 9 items. Just think about it. So jump on it. I mean, if you want a referral link, I'm more than happy to provide you a referral link. I don't like to push that on anybody. I'm not trying to make a buck on anybody, but if you do want a referral link, I'll be more than happy to provide you one. Just, you know, leave me a comment down below, and I'll put it in the description box. And so again, I mean, for $50-something, you can't beat this at all. So I suggest that you get it. My makeup collection is outrageous, and that's just with Boxycharm alone, and it's so worth it. And you know, that company is super generous. I mean, there's no subscription box like them at all. And I mean, I'm subscribed to quite a few of them, but this is by far the best one I've ever had. So with that said, I'm gonna let you guys go today. I hope you enjoyed today's video on my December Boxycharm Boxyluxe box, and look forward to the next video. And I'm sorry I have been MIA, but I'm gonna get to that another time in another video. Let me know if you want to see a Q&A. Thank you for watching. You have a good weekend.